mask. And then just make it ask my nice for the and then it comes with I use the second so the instructions right here. When I know the bottom had like different layers. The long bar is yeah, the top long bar. There's two short, two. How many? No, four short bars. And four short bars, four long bars. I just put that never happen. So it's how I use that. Four short bars. And we can barely matter which if it's long. That's base build. It's like the little and what that's a lot of color things. And then the short one. Here's that. Good. This is the button. That's really cool. The patches are that's what I'm wanting. I want to go. I'm excited to go to highlight also. Yeah, and one. So good. Not bad. That's pretty good. I'll open it with a little back. And I'll put what I have prepared. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the bedroom. And then we're gonna put together this thing for weight. It's small. Okay. The cool thing I want to section, those, and the kitchen side. The way I have it set up, I'm hoping this would be good. Oh, it is a little giant. It's so bad. And it's going to move into a bit. It's moving over them. But it's going to be a 3. That might be good though, because one of the items, the item that I'm going to put on top, that I was planning on putting on top, is kind of big. So it's a 3-tiered, 3 is the number for today, a 3-tiered organizer. And this is what it's supposed to look like when it's finished. Well, it's a diagram. There's no actual photo in this. I will link this one too. This is from Wayfair. Wayfair gives you just what I need. Which is great. I'm gonna put this on now. Is this like this? Yeah, this is so that we just set it down on the counter. It's just like this thing. And I'm just literally putting these together. As long as it's very easy. Assembly for dummies. It was so cold here, but I know I charged. I didn't even keep up there. These are really complicated. The one that's $3. Wait a minute. Can I do this one? Oh, not. Oh, you know where these go? I did this one. This goes on top. What it was, because it was stupid. But there should be 2 8, not 1 9 maybe. So which one's which? Oh, I was right. I like you, because they did it upside down and they turned it. Yeah. There's no feeling it. I think this is A. Yeah, there's 9 of these. So it starts like this. Look how light it's upside down. So I'll show you what we're looking at. So you take these little dowly thingies and you twist them into here. The way I distribute everything, it's actually so. It's gonna be salty though. I'm putting it in the ceiling. Oh, perfect. Yeah, now let's secure it nicely. And I don't know why it was less than $30. I don't remember. Let's see the thing. It was basically purple. That's what I do remember. Purple for some reason. Wayfair just need just what I need. Okay, and then you take one of these. Yeah, you want to make it so that it's not hot. So it looks good. Okay. What's this down? Oh, I understand now. And then. We threw it into a parking space. I just thought I think for a moment there. I'm like, hey, puppy. This is like as good as something I do. Hilarious like that. We might start in the kitchen first, even though it's like a disaster. And I mean, we're not. I had to do it first. What's a disaster? What do we want for next? I don't know if you try to carefully peel off those other stairs because you don't need that. Okay. And then these little thingies go here. And then this winds up being the bottom. Now I understand. I have to redo that one. It's a little crooked. What's it? I don't know. Yeah, that's how it goes. I have to adjust. Yeah, I have to adjust these because that's the last one I did was the only one that came out straight. How do you make it so straight? That's string, this is string, and this one's a basket. You gotta like get it in. Wait, I think that's it. No. It's still awkward. I don't want it to be tilted because if it's tilted and I put glass on top of it, because that's what I'm doing. I don't want to put something fragile on here and then glass it. That's good. Yeah, you have to like look it in a certain way to do it. Perfect. And then put it around like this. Take off the letters carefully. Of course it leaves a thing which pisses me off. I don't want the things to be on here. They should have put them on in the back or something. Wayfair, this little sticker thing, because now it's gonna have like this gross ass residue. Yeah, but in a more inconspicuous place. All right, but that's fine. So this is this, and I'm gonna put it in the kitchen in a bit. We're gonna go to my bedroom and start to reorganize. I have to throw away the garbage. Nice, right? So glad it was so much easier to put together than I anticipated. It's kind of heavy. This should hold 5 pounds each lamp.